guys and welcome to my garage. As you can see, it's a completely different place. We couldn't shoot this weekend at Mayo's garage because he had some stuff to do, so we divided everyone has his own part that he has to clean. My father, for example, has to clean the engine, the rear fork and etc. And I have to do the exhaust pipe because it's really rusty. As you can see, the pipe is in a really bad shape, so we're gonna have to clean it and then remove all the rust. Also, I will have to paint this part so it will look brand new. So no more talking, let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start with this part. We're gonna clean it so we uncover all the carbon fiber that is under this dirt. We're gonna clean the rust and maybe we're gonna paint this part. Yo! Now let's take apart this part, so because it's gonna be black, and we prepare this one to be painted. So now we're gonna do this pipe. As you can see, I already tried and it's looking really good. So let's do everything else like this. It's going a bit slow, so I'm gonna try attach this to the drill and we're gonna see if this is gonna be faster. Hi everyone, today is a new day and as you can see the pipe isn't looking really good because the rust was really deep and the result isn't the one that I expected. So I went on Marketplace and I bought a new toy, and the new toy is a powder blaster. I think that with this tool we're gonna remove all the deep rust. So let's try the new toy and let's see the final result. as you can see, the results are great. The machine left a matte finish, so I'm gonna do a bit of sanding to give it back more of a brushed steel look. So let's get started. So I finished the sanding and it looks amazing. Maybe I'm gonna hit it with some steel wool to give it just a little bit more shine. So let's try that. If not, we can always come back to the brushed steel wool. So this was the look I was going for. It's looking really amazing. So now let's clean it with some degreaser, and then we're gonna protect it with some WD-40. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna do some close-ups so you can look, so you can have a better look at the pipe. For me, it's looking amazing and nothing. See you in the next video. Bye.